Do something new and get inspired to do something outside your comfort zone. Today we are gonna use our phone numbers to generate chords for our melodies. This is a method that I learned at the conservatory that simply stuck with me, because it's such a fine example of an unconventional method to make conventional music. So the idea is that the phone number is dictating which interval the melody note is in the chord. So the first digit in my phone number is 4. So that means that the first note has to be the fourth in the chord that I choose. So if my first note was a C, then it's either has to be a G or an F sharp, depending on if you're using a perfect fourth or a sharp fourth. So here's my melody that I'm gonna harmonize with my phone number. And today my phone number is 498222359. It's a randomized phone number. And since there are only 7 different intervals and 10 different digits, I'm gonna say that my 0 is the 7th, and the 8 is the octave or the 1, and the 9 is the second. So let's do it and we will see if it makes sense. So my first digit in my phone number is 4. So the C has to be the fourth in the chord. If I want it to be the perfect fourth, then I move it 5 half steps down. And if I want it to be the sharp fourth, then I move it 6 half steps down. Let's start with the perfect fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, the sharp fourth is one of my favorite intervals. And I simply just octaved it. And then I make the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like this chord. So this is a major with a sharp fourth. So my next digit is 9, so that means the second. So the root note has to be 2 half steps down or 1 half step down, depending if it's a perfect second or a flat second. I think I will try the perfect. No, because then, yeah, I'll try. No, let's try to make the flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will just make the 2 G sharp melody notes count as 1. Why? I don't know. I think I like it. Yeah, let's do something new. And my third digit is 8, so that means 0, so we just duplicate this. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe let's make it a minor. Yeah. My next digit is 2. So 2 half steps down to make a second interval. 2 or 1 half steps down. Yeah, that was so good. Oh, scheiße. Okay, I kind of want to make it a minor. Yes, I'm gonna make it a minor. And the next digit is 2. So again, and let's make it a flat second. And next is 3. 3 or 4 half steps down, depending on if it should be a major or a minor third. 1, 2, 3. Let's try with the major. Kind of weird, but I kind of liked it. Let's try to listen again just to see what it is about. Okay, I will keep the major third. The next is 5, so the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minor so far. And the last digit in my phone number is 9. So that means 2, so either 2 or 1 half step down. Let's try with 1. And if you're using a flat second, then it's mostly often a minor chord. So let's try a minor chord. I didn't like that at all. So I changed it to the perfect second and changed it to a major. And now I ran out of digits, so I simply just repeat from the beginning. So the first digit was 4. So either 5 or 6 half steps down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we don't need a third because this is gonna be a suspended accord. Yes, 9. Yeah, 8, which just means the same note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I like this. And then a second. Crazy, but good. And this should also be a second. So it's 2 half steps down. 2, 2, 3, so 3. And now I could kind of repeat that the A sharp is only one note, but I'm not gonna do it. It's just a feeling I have. So no reason, but that's how it's gonna be. The next digit is 5. So it's a 5th, which is 7 half steps down. 9. Let's try with a minor. Oh, that was good. And then we start over again with the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try with a minor end chord. Oh, that was a beautiful end chord. There are no right or wrong ways of harmonizing. But by trying and making up new approaches, we will get inspired and simply learn more about ourselves. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up button and consider to subscribe to my channel. It will make me so happy. Enjoy.